Hi guys, it's Sheree and Logan, and today we're going to make some vegan vegetable lasagna. So right now we just have the pre-heated organic lasagna pasta. Pre-made, I'm sorry. Yep, and we have ricotta cheese. It's vegan ricotta cheese. Okay, and you spread that in there. And then you take some spinach. See, Logan, say spinach. Say spinach. You take some spinach, and you put the spinach on top of the ricotta cheese, like so. And we're also going to take a bag of vegetables. We just have a bag of vegetables. It has carrots, onions, black peppers,